Hey everybody, Quincy here. Starting my second episode of rebuilding my 2007 Harley Davidson XL1200C that has a salvage flood title. Bought it from Copart. Last week I pretty much just got it home and cleaned it up. Ordered some things online that still haven't come in yet, but also stopped by the auto store today to pick up some oils because I plan on changing some of the fluids today. But I also had the title come in this past week, and little surprise with the title. So it is a salvage total loss claim, but it looks like it may already have the salvage rebuilt title, which would be a lot easier when I go to get the title changed and to possibly register it in the future. So hopefully that's what it is. That's water. Yep. So I'm changing everything. Oh yeah, there we go. Well, this just got fun. Oh yeah. Not what I was looking forward to. Well, now I gotta try to see if I have to take it off completely or what can be done in this case. Oh. The water and the 1 quart of oil that was in there equaled about a gallon exactly, so that's not good. Chain has good tension. Now it's been sitting for a little while longer. You can see the water is separated from the oil. That's how much was in the primary. Well, time to move to the main oil. Good news is, there seems to be no water in the oil. Whew. That's good. didn't quite go as planned. Right in between. 2.8. I think that's going to wrap it up for today. A little bit more messy than I thought it was going to be, but when you forget to put the oil catch in the right place, things can happen like that. If you know anything about the water in the primary, let me know, whether it's in the comments or the HD forums that I'm a part of. Ripsaw, thanks for your input on that. As far as what's next, I believe the electrical is what I'm going to hope to get to next. Not sure if it's going to be next weekend or not. Coming up on the holidays here, it's getting a little too busy, family visiting, things like that on the weekend. I will try to get to it when I can. Spark plugs, electrical, start to charge the battery, see if I can get any current running through this thing, and then we'll take it from there. Thanks.